Get ready, get set, and let's tune it up with Keekah and Friends!
Come on, grab your bags.
Come on!
Looking for adventure. Every day is magic.
Whoa!
Travel the world, let's go.
Let's go!
All we need are lyrics grooves.
The lyric,
Every day needs Bella too.
That's me!
Tune it up and dance with the
Tune it up!
Oh, I'll be happy when I will. Keekah and Friends. Fun when I'm with Keekah and Friends.
And that's how you do it the Keekah way. Let's learn the alphabet with Keekah and Bella.
Whoa! This is the letter A. The A makes the A sound.
Look, there's apples. There's a green apple and a red apple. That's so cool.
Super cool. The red apple is sweet and the green apple is sour. Let's try it.
Yahoo!
That is sour. Now let's try the red one.
That is good.
Really good. Whoa! This is the letter B. The B makes the B sound.
Their B is for balloons.
You know what else stands for B?
Bella. C makes the cuss sound.
Let's see what's inside. They're crayons. We are gonna make a picture. This is the letter D. The D makes the D sound.
D stands for dancing.
Time to go, let's dance! Head, shoulders, knees, toes. What? Head, shoulders, knees, toes. Yeah. Head, shoulders, knees, toes. Okay. Head, shoulders, knees, toes. Now wiggle, 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 wiggle. Uh-huh. Head, shoulders, knees, toes. Now slide to the right. Yeah. Head, shoulders, knees, toes. Put your right foot up, then your left leg. You got it. Head, shoulders, knees, toes. Strike a pose, strike a pose. Head, shoulders, knees, toes, and period.
This is the letter E.
Earthquake.
Whoa! Whoa! We're having an earthquake! Ah!
Whoa, the letter F. F makes the sound.
Let's see what we got. Fireworks! Whoa! Those are so cool. I love fireworks. We use fireworks on the 4th of July. This is the letter G. The G makes the G sound. Let's see what's inside.
Oh my goodness, it's a guitar.
This is the letter H. H makes the sound. And a trick for that is you put your hand out in front of your mouth and you go so you can feel the wind on your hand. I don't see anything in here. Whoa. This is a hula hoop. Hula hoop begins with the letter H, but we need to make sure that we have some space, so we should go do this in the gym. Let's go.
Whoa, the letter I stands for Let's see. Ice cream, yay!
Let's eat it. This looks so good. Cheers.
Yummy.
That is so good. This is the letter J. J makes the J sound.
Let's see what we have now. Pumpkins.
Pumpkins doesn't start with the letter J. Pumpkin starts with P.
Jack-o'-lantern.
Oh, jack-o'-lantern starts with J. But there's no faces in these pumpkins. We have to go carve them. Let's go. All right, friends, so we have our pumpkins, and now we're going to make them into jack-o'-lanterns. But remember, you need to make sure a grown-up handles the knife. Let's do it. Now we take the top off. Come look what's inside this pumpkin. It's gooey. Oh my goodness, look at all the pumpkin seeds. Now we need to take off all the gooey inside so that we can make our jack-o'-lantern. Okay, now we're gonna take out all the gooey stuff on the inside. I'm gonna use my hand. All right, friends, so we got all the guts out of the pumpkin, but it still doesn't look like a jack-o'-lantern. I think we need a little bit of help. Who do we need to call for? A lyric!
Lucasam!
Whoa, these are some cool jack-o'-lanterns. Now, all you have to do is put a candle inside, and then it'll make it light up. This is the letter K. K is for kiwi.
But it's also for
Keekah. Let's try it.
Yummy.
Super sweet. And it's green on the inside. Kiwi is a fruit. This is the letter L. The L makes the L sound. Let's see what's inside. Lollipop.
Keekah, can I have the big one?
Sure.
Thank you.
Sharing is caring. This is the letter N. M makes the sound. Let's see what's inside. Music.
Time to groove, let's dance! Head, shoulders, knees, toes. What? Head, shoulders, knees, toes. Yeah. Head, shoulders, knees, toes. Okay. Head, shoulders, knees, toes. Now wiggle, 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 wiggle. Head, shoulders, knees, toes. Now slide to the right. Yeah. Head, shoulders, knees, toes. Put your right foot up, then your left leg. You got it. Head, shoulders, knees, toes. Strike a pose, strike a pose. Head, shoulders, knees, toes, and period.
This is the letter N. Numbers begin with the letter N. So what we're going to do is we're going to stand up. Everybody stand up. And we're going to count to 5. Once we count, you guys jump. So we're going to start. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Good job, friends.
This is the letter O. O makes the ah sound. Let's see what our example is. An octagon. An octagon has 8 sides.
Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. This is the letter P. P is for party. This is Q. Q stands for queen.
This is the letter R. R makes the R sound. And our example is roller coaster.
This is the letter S. S makes the S sound.
Wait, there's nothing in there.
Whoa, it's snowing.
That's so cool.
It's cold. Ooh, super chilly. This is the letter T. T makes the T sound.
Wait, there's nothing in here.
Do you hear that? Run, run, run! Tiger! This is the letter U.
U is for unicorn. This is Princess Celestia.
She has rainbow hair. This is the letter V. V makes the V sound.
A color in the rainbow that starts with V is violet. This pillow is violet. Fun fact, violet is one of the last colors in the rainbow.
This is the letter W. W makes the W sound. Let's see what starts with the letter W. This is water. Water begins with the letter W. So, fun fact, it's very important to drink water. It keeps you hydrated during the day, so make sure that you drink your water.
This is the letter X.
X makes the X sound.
Let's see what we have here. Is this somebody taking an X-ray?
Yes, this is an X-ray. An X-ray is a machine that takes pictures of your bones. Let's take pictures of our bones. Whoa! You can see right through us.
This is so cool.
This is the letter Y.
Y makes the yes sound.
Let's see what we got. This is a girl doing yoga. Y is the beginning letter of yoga. Let's do some yoga poses. And our last letter is Z. The Z makes the Z sound. Let's see what we have.
Keekah, is that the zoo animals?
Oh no, they're coming, but we have to tell our friends bye first. See you later.
Bye!
Thank you guys for tuning up with us. Always remember, if you can walk, you can dance. If you can talk, you can sing. Join Keekah's crew and you can do anything. See you later.